Today I am going to explain you how to record the transactions in the sales book. Only those transactions will be recorded in the sales book which are sold on credit, and the format of sales book is date, particulars, name of the customer, account to be debited. Whenever the goods are sold on credit, then the account of the customer is debited. Invoice number means bill number, ledger folio, page number of ledger, details, sale, output CGST, output SGST, output IGST, and the total amount. And in first column, date, the date of sale of goods on credit is recorded in this column, and in particular columns, the name of the customer and the description of the goods sold, its quantity, rate, gross amount, and trade discount, etc. And in third column, the invoice number, the bill number, and in fourth column, page number of ledger folio, and in fifth column, the detail of the individual item sold less trade discount, and add output CGST and SGST and IGST. And in sixth column, net amount of sale, that is the sale less trade discount, will be recorded. And in seventh column, output CGST, this tax is collected by the seller from the buyer on the intra-state, means when the goods are sold within a state. And output SGST, a separate column is also there for recording the output SGST, and input IGST if goods are sold outside the state. And total amount, total amount of each transaction is shown in this column. And let us discuss illustration 3. Prepare a sales book from the following transactions of Navketan Furniture House, Ludhiana, assuming CGST at the 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. 2018 May 1st, sold goods to 5-star company Patiala, Punjab on credit, 150 chairs of rupees 1800 each and 36 tables at the rate of rupees 5000 each, discount 20%. It is a trade discount. Cash discount is allowed only if the goods are sold on cash basis. 2018 May 1, 5-star furniture company Patiala, 150 chairs at rupees 1800 each, 150 into 1800, 2,70,000, 36 tables at the rate of rupees 5000 each, 36 into 5,000, 1,80,000, and total amount is 4,50,000. Discount is 20% on 4,50,000. 90,000, and after deducting the trade discount, the amount is 3,60,000. After this, we will calculate the CGST and SGST on 3,60,000. 21,600 and 21,600, and total amount is 4,03,200. And in sales column, we will write the amount after deducting trade discount 3,60,000, and in output CGST 21,600, output SGST 21,600, output IGST. We will leave it blank because the goods are sold within a state, and total amount is 4,03,200. 15th May, sold goods to Vishal Furniture House, Amritsar, Punjab, 10 almirahs at rupees 11,000 each, 5 sofa sets at the rate of rupees 18,000 each, trade discount 15%. 15, Vishal Furniture House, Amritsar, 10 almirahs into 11,000, 1,10,000, 5 sofa sets into 18,000, 18,000 into 5, 90,000. Total sales 2 lakh and trade discount 15%. 2 lakh of 15% is 30,000. And after deducting trade discount, net sales are 1,70,000 and CGST and SGST is 1,70,000 into 6%, 10,200, and total amount is 1,90,400. And in sales column, we will record the amount of net sales after deducting trade discount 1,70,000, and in output CGST column 10,200, output SGST column 10,200, and output IGST, and total amount is 1,90,400. May 20th, sold goods to Prakash Furniture House, New Delhi, 100 chairs at the rate of rupees 2,000 less 5% trade discount. May 20th, Prakash Furniture House, New Delhi, 100 chairs at the rate of rupees 2,000 each. 100 into 2,000, 2 lakh less 5% trade discount. 2 lakh into 5%, 10,000. Then net sales 1,90,000, and these goods are sold to Prakash Furniture House, New Delhi. It means outside the state. IGST is 12%, 6% CGST and 6% SGST. The total IGST will be 12%. 1,90,000 into 12%, 22,800, and total amount is 2,12,800. It will be recorded on total column, and in sales column we will record 1,90,000, the amount of sales less trade discount, and in column of output IGST 22,800. On 25th May, sold to Moonlight Furniture Company for cash. Here goods are sold on cash basis. It will be recorded in cash book. This transaction will not be, we will not record this transaction here in sales book. Next transaction, sold on credit to Sunil Machinery Store. He is a furniture dealer and he sold machinery on credit. This transaction will be recorded in journal proper because it is sold. It is a sale of an asset, and whenever asset is sold in cash, it will be recorded in the cash book. And whenever assets are sold on credit basis, then it will be recorded on the. Then it will be recorded in the journal proper. 2 old machineries and 1 old computer. This transaction is also not recorded here. We will not record this transaction here. And on 31st May, last day of the month, we will total all the columns. Total of the sale column is 7,20,000. Output CGST is 31,800, and output SGST is also 31,800, and output IGST is 22,800, and total of sales is 8,06,400.